Ever wondered why octopuses often die after mating? Here's why. Octopuses are semelporous, meaning they only reproduce once in their lifetime. After mating, the female lays thousands of eggs. She focuses all her energy on brooding, which means she stops eating and uses up her fat reserves. This intense process depletes her energy and leads to rapid aging. Males also die soon after mating due to exhaustion and stress. It's a tough but natural strategy, giving everything to ensure their babies have a chance to survive. Nature's way of making sure the next generation gets a head start.